Hello children, how are you all? In the previous science class we completed birds lesson, right children? Yes, today I am going to start sixth lesson in science, okay, that is our body. Do you know about our body children? What the body is made up of, do you know? Children, our body is made up of a smallest part, okay, is called nothing but cell. What we call children? Cell. It looks like this. What it is? A cell. Cell, okay, from a single cell our body develops. Understood? From smallest part. This, okay, everyone, even every humans or living organisms, all living organisms comes from a single cell. What it is? A cell. Single one. Okay. From a single cell, everyone comes. Okay. Grows. How? How means this cell divides or multiplies. Multiplies means 1 going to 2. 2 again going to 4. Like that. 4 again going to 8. Like that. Okay. Multiplies means goes on dividing. Okay. And develops into a full body. Got it children? Now we'll see how our body, okay, builds up into a organism. Now, look at here, our body, it comes from a single cell I said, right? So, every living organism comes from a single cell. This cell multiplies, okay? Multiplies means like this, so many cells. So, a single cell multiplies into many cells and builds a body. Okay, children? Now, those all we call it as, okay, from a single cell, no? So, we call it this one cell as building block. Why it builds our body, right? That's why it is a building block of an living organism. Okay. We are also comes under living beings, right? Living things. Humans, plants, animals, or every living organism comes from a single cell. Right children? So cell divides or multiplies into many cells and okay and builds up a body. So this single cell we call it as building block. Suppose one example I will tell. You are have you ever seen a building? Building is constructed with what? Tell me children. With a small part, bricks, right? Bricks. Bricks are used for construction of a building. So how they are constructed? Tell me. By joining bricks like this, isn't it? They are joining the bricks like this and constructed first wall, after that full building, right children? So here bricks are the building blocks of building. Okay, building blocks means it builds up. Like that our body builds up, okay, from a single cell. So cell is a building block of our body. Got it? So not only our body, every living organism, okay, which is a building block? Nothing but cell. Remember, cell is very, very important. It is only builds up and gives rise into a full body. Got it children? Now we'll see. So tell me, which is the building block of our body? Nothing but cell. Right children? Now we'll see here how this cell multiplies and develops into a full body. We'll see now. Okay. Now we are all comes from a single cell. Cell looks like this. Okay. Cell looks like this. So cell multiplies means divides and group of, these are all cells children. Okay. Group of cells looking like this, isn't it? Then this group of cells we call it as tissue. What we call children? So tissue. So group of cells made up into tissue. Understood? So here cell is a single one. We are all, this is the smallest part in our body. Which is the smallest part in our body? Nothing but cell. So that's why it is also called building block of our body. Now coming to tissue. Tissue is nothing but some group of cells joined, okay, and forms tissue. Got it children? So group of cells together form tissue. Now this tissue again, suppose think this is the one tissue, okay, and another tissue. Okay children, this is another tissue, suppose. So group of tissues means all this group means some group. Here another group of tissue, okay, another group of tissue. So many cells, okay, so many tissues together made up organ. What we'll get? Organ. How many organs? See, so many organs are there in our body. Do you know children? Tell me some examples. Do you know organs? External organs and internal organs. Here organs are two types. What are those? External organs means organs which can able to see outside. We can see outside. Which organs are there for us? Everyone can able to see those. Tell me. Eyes, nose, ears, okay, hands, legs. All these are external organs. Means outside we can see those. But internal organs. Internal means inside. These organs are present inside. Means what? Those are inside the body. We can't see those. Suppose like heart. You know heart, right? We have heart and lungs. We have lungs. Two lungs are there for us. One heart is there. To our left hand side we have heart. Keep your hand on your left hand side chest so you can heard a small sound also. Loved up. That is nothing but heart is there inside. Okay, it is always function, right? It won't stop at all. So that organ, okay, that is also an organ. Heart is an organ. Lungs are there. Two lungs are there. Okay, our chest comes up and down, right, like this. So why? Because we are breathing. So here lungs are internal organ. Stomach, you know stomach, right? Inside stomach is there. Okay, so it is an internal. All these organs, what are those? Heart, lungs, stomach, all those comes under internal organs. We can't see outside, right children? We cannot see, okay, those organs, but those are there inside the body. That's why those organs are called internal organs. Some organs we can see outside, like eyes we can see, ears we can see, nose we can see, hands, legs, all those are external, means outside. We can, those are visible to us. That's why those are called external organs, right children? Now here what happens? Cells, group of cells we call it as tissue. Group of tissues, here this tissue, this is a tissue, this is a tissue, all these are all tissues, okay. Group of tissues we call it as organ, okay. Those organs are so many are there in our body. Some are external and some are internal. Now coming to some group of organs. Here what I said, group of tissues make up organ, right? Now group of organs make up organ system. What is that? Organ system means some group of organs function, okay, particular job. Suppose, okay, it always functions for a particular job. We are eating food, no? That food is digested in the stomach and it comes out. So all that, okay, comes under one system. Okay children? So here some group of organs. These organs include our mouth, okay. After that a pipe is there. After that stomach is there. So all those are all organs. Group of organs make a system. What is this? Organ system. This system does a particular job. Understood children? It does a particular job in our body. Some group of organs make up, okay, make up organ system. Right children? Now this organ system are so many are there in our body. All together, okay, forms organism. What they form? Organism. Organism is nothing but we only. Body. Okay. Full body. Means all the animals, plants. Completely we call it as organism. Living organism, right? Got it children? So here organism nothing but a body. Here suppose this person is there. This is full now. So organism. Okay, got it children? So here so many organ systems make up organism, right? Got it children? Now, so like this, first is, so every body is made up of what? A single smallest part in our body, that is cell. Remember, cell is the smallest part in our body. If you suppose any skin layer is comes out, if you see in these cells, we can't see, okay, with our eyes. Those can be seen under the microscope. Microscope is this small, okay, it is one instrument. With that instrument only we can see those small minute cells. These are very minute. Minute means very small, very tiny. Understood? We can't see with our eyes, but that layer if you take and keep under the microscope, okay, millions of cells are there in a small layer. Understood children? Even our hair, everything, even our nail, everything is made up of cell. Got it children? So a cell, group of cells, we call it as tissue. Group of tissues, we call it as organ. Group of organs, we call it as organ system. Group of organ systems are there in a organism, right? Organism. Got it children? So organism is nothing but body, right? So here a full person, right? Living organisms. So many are there around us, like plants, animals, humans, right? All those comes under organism. So all those living organisms comes from a single cell, remember. So that's why this is single cell also called building block. What we call children? Building block. Got it? Right? Have you understood up to here? So how many organs are there? Two types of organs are there. Some are external and some are internal. Some organs, okay, group of organs, they are doing a particular job. Then that one we call it as organ system. Like this organ systems, so many are there. Suppose, okay, think organs are like a heart, okay, heart pumps blood children. Heart, what it does? It continuously pumps blood, okay, throughout our body. So it comes under organ system, like, so organ systems, few organ systems today I will tell to you, okay, what are those organ systems in our body. Okay, we'll see in detail in the next class. First we'll see organ systems. How many are there in our body? Okay, organ systems, like children, we find first one skeletal system, okay, and second one muscular system. Muscular, remember all these spellings, learn, okay, learn each one, okay, learn spellings for each. Next one is respiratory system, okay. Next one is digestive system, okay, and fifth one is excretory system. I will tell you in detail about all these systems in the next class, okay. And sixth one is, these are all comes under organ systems, okay. What these are all? Organ systems. And sixth one is, okay, circulatory system. It pumps blood children. Circulation means full body is circulating blood. Blood is circulating through circulatory system. Seventh one is, okay, and also so many are there. Only 8 given in your book, okay. Excretory, digestive, respiratory, reproductive system. You have to learn all these spellings children, okay. Got it? So all these are all different systems. Now we'll see first today two systems. Those are skeletal system, another one is muscular system. Skeletal system means nothing but, children, just touch your hand, hardly touch. So if you press very hardly, what you can feel inside something hard is there, right? That is nothing but bone. What is that? Bone. So inside our body, bones are there. All bones make a skeletal system. Understood? All bones in our body make a skeleton. That system we call it as, so all are working together. All are working together. So that's why that system we call it as skeletal system. How many bones are there? Do you know in our body? 206 bones are there. How many bones, children? 206 bones are there. Okay, in a human body, right? All bones work together. Okay, work together. And do you know we are having some shape, right? We are standing straight. Why we are standing straight? Because of these bones only. Without bone we cannot stand straight, right children? We will fall like this. Why? Because bones gives us shape. Got it? And support to our body. Which one gives us shape and support to our body? Nothing but bones. So all bones together form skeleton. That system comes under skeletal system. Got it children? So here, and coming to muscular system. Muscular system means if you touch here, you feel hard, that is bone. Around the bone, muscle is there. What is that? If you press, you will feel somewhat. Okay, that soft one is nothing but muscle around the bone. What is there? Muscle. That muscle, okay, around more than 600 muscles are there in our body, children. 600 muscles, more than 600 muscles are there in our body. This muscle and bone together helps us to move. We are moving, right? I am nodding head, okay, talking, doing any work. We are moving. How can we able to move? Because of bones and muscles. Without bones and muscle, we can't able to move anything, any part. Understood? So muscles helps us to move along with bone. Got it, children? So how many bones are there in a human body? 206. How many muscles are there? More than 600. Got it, children? In a human body. So both together helps us to move. Okay, helps us to move. And bones only helps us to gives a shape to our body, right children? Have you understood up to here? Now I am going to show you a small video. Watch that video, children.
Human body.
We have learned about plants and animals. Now let us know about ourselves.
The human body is a wonderful mission created by God. It will be very interesting to learn about its performance. Let us first see how human body is made up of. Cells. Living organisms are made up of small structures called cells. The cell is the basic structural unit of a living organism. Cells are very small. They cannot be seen with naked eyes. They can be seen only through a microscope. Tissues. Cells when grouped together form a tissue. Tissue form an organ. Organs. Tissues combine together to form larger units which are called organs. Examples are stomach, intestine, liver, kidney, and heart. These organs carry out various functions inside the body.
Organ systems. Kids, this is our body. Our body has various external as well as internal body parts. The parts of our body that we see are our external body parts. And the body parts that we can't see, like our lungs, heart, stomach, and brain, are our internal body parts, and they are called internal organs. Each internal as well as external body part has its own function. Our body works like a machine. where each organ performs a specific function. And organs of our body do not work alone.
Organ systems. There are 11 major organ systems in your body. But in this video, we will discuss 6 main organ systems. They are circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, urinary system, nervous system, muscular system and skeletal system. The muscular system is responsible for the movement of the human body. It consists of skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles. You have more than 600 muscles in your body. Bones in your body, together form the skeletal system and give your body hard and strong framework, providing structure, protection and movement.
Have you watched the video, children? Is it clear now? So, the smallest part of our body is cell. So, group of cells together form tissue. Group of tissues together form organs. Group of organs make up an organ system. All organ systems work in an organism. Right, children? They work together to form an organism. Got it? So, now we'll see here some bits. Okay, today's lesson. About today's lesson, we'll revise once. Tell me, children, the smallest part of our body is called, what is that? Yes, what is the smallest part in our body? Cell. What is that? Cell. Got it? Next, group of cells. Some group of cells I said. What are those we called? Remember these names, okay? They form tissue. What we call, children? So, cell, right? And group of cells, we call it as tissue. Okay? Remember, learn all those spellings. Next, there are dash bones in our body. Total how many bones I said in our body? Yes, 206. How many bones are there, children? 206. Next, a group of organs work together to form dash system. Which system will form from group of organs? Yes, organ system, right? Nothing but organ system. Have you understood up to here, children? We'll see the next part of the lesson in the next class. Okay, children? Until that, take care. Bye.